Hello. This brief video will take a look at MRI Simmons Insights and talk about the index score. Once you understand what the index score is, it's much easier to quickly begin to understand and interpret reports. I have a crosstab report here. The index number is also used in other types of reports. Remember that the 100 is the average for the entire group. So the study universe is all the respondents to the MRI surveys, and the average of all of those is 100. You also get 100 when you're looking at all of the individuals in any particular group. So among all the 25 to 34-year-old respondents, the average of their answers is the index of 100 for their group. Then as we move over to the question that was answered, then we get index numbers that we can compare. So I've looked at people who said they traveled in the last 12 months domestically, and they chose United Airlines. In this column, I'm looking at people who chose Frontier Airlines when they traveled in the last 12 months. So we can quickly see that the youngest group here was much less than average likely to use United, and the group from 25 to 34 was much more likely than average to use United. So this younger group was 38% less likely than the average respondent, and this group of 25 to 34 was 43% more likely than average for the respondents. You get a clue here with your downward red arrow and your upward green arrow. There's also a sideways yellow arrow, which indicates that even though the number varies from the 100, it's not enough higher or lower to be anything outside of average. It's just, it's not enough higher or lower. Generally, I think these apply when it's within 10 of 100. And one thing to look out for is the asterisk. If there's an asterisk, and especially if there are two asterisks, it means that the number of respondents was not statistically significant. In other words, there were too few respondents to get statistically reliable results. If you have any questions, remember you can always use Ask a Librarian from the library website, and we'll be glad to help. Thank you.